Hey, explorers! Houston is one of those cities that continuously surprises you at every turn, a place where modern innovation meets historic charm, and every street has a story to tell. Welcome to Destination Deca. I'm Adam, and in today's ultimate travel guide, I'll be walking you through the top 10 things to do in Houston, plus 2 bonus spots that promise to add even more flavor to your trip. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a deep dive exploration, sit back, relax, and let's uncover Houston's hidden gems, standout landmarks, and must-visit experiences together. Let's go! Segment 10, Kemah Boardwalk. Kicking off our Houston journey at number 10 is the enchanting Kemah Boardwalk, a destination where coastal tradition meets modern excitement. Originally a modest fishing pier, Kemah has evolved into a bustling boardwalk that perfectly captures the essence of seaside leisure. Today, visitors can immerse themselves in a vibrant atmosphere where the gentle sound of ocean waves blends seamlessly with the joyful clamor of amusement rides, local eateries, and artisan shops. History and fun fact: once a quiet dockside locale, Kemah transformed over the years into a celebrated hotspot, hosting seasonal festivals, grand fireworks displays, and cultural events that pay homage to its maritime roots. Whether it's the sound of carousels spinning under the twilight sky or local bands setting the mood during summer nights, every corner of this boardwalk tells its own lively story. Travel tips: to truly savor the boardwalk's magic, aim for a midweek visit when the crowds thin out, allowing you ample time to explore at leisure. For sunset enthusiasts, plan your visit so that your final ride or meal coincides with the vibrant hues of the Gulf, and don't miss out on sampling local seafood, freshly caught and served with a side of coastal charm. Segment 9, Houston Museum of Natural Science. Sliding in at number 9, the Houston Museum of Natural Science is an immersive portal into the wonders of our natural world. Wander through sprawling exhibits that chart the fascinating march of time, from the colossal skeletons of ancient dinosaurs to intricate displays of Egyptian relics, and even to a state-of-the-art gem exhibit that casts mesmerizing reflections with every light stroke. History and fun fact: this museum isn't static, it continually reinvents itself with rotating exhibits and guest lectures that shine new light on age-old mysteries. One particularly enchanting feature is the on-site Butterfly Center, where over 20 species flutter in a vibrant, tropical-inspired setting. Imagine witnessing nature's delicate miracles as live butterflies dance against a backdrop of lush flora. Travel tips: embrace a guided tour to unlock the stories behind each exhibit and discover those lesser-known facts that make every corner a hidden narrative. Booking tickets in advance can help you bypass the queues, and don't forget to catch one of the IMAX shows that pair breathtaking visuals with scientific wonder. Segment 8, Discovery Green. At number 8, we step into Discovery Green, a 12-acre urban sanctuary nestled in downtown Houston that redefines city living by melding art, culture, and nature. This aren't just manicured lawns and walking paths, it's a dynamic canvas where seasonal art installations, interactive water features, and spontaneous street performances create a constantly evolving experience. History and fun fact: Discovery Green stands as a reinvention of urban spaces. Its installations frequently change, ensuring that every visit is unique. Creative designers often merge natural elements with digital art to produce immersive sound and light shows. One delight is the innovative water features that cool the air on hot days while doubling as kinetic sculptures. Travel tips: plan your day around the park's event schedule. Whether it's a community yoga session at sunrise or a live concert under the stars, there's always an activity tailored to spark your inner creative spirit. And if you find yourself peckish, the nearby food trucks offer an authentic taste of local cuisine in a truly vibrant setting. Segment 7, Downtown Aquarium. At number 7, the Downtown Aquarium transforms an industrial relic into an underwater wonderland right in the heart of the city. This isn't your typical aquarium, it's an experience that artfully fuses aquatic life with modern entertainment while creating an atmosphere that thrills both kids and adults. History and fun fact: housed in a repurposed urban space, the aquarium has reinvented itself as a multisensory marvel. One of its standout features is a 360-degree restaurant where, as you dine, you're surrounded by a living, pulsating marine environment. This seamless integration of dining with education is perfect for those who yearn to learn about marine conservation while enjoying a delicious meal. Travel tips: for an immersive experience, opt for one of the interactive animal encounter sessions. Get up close and personal with stingrays, touch the gentle creatures, and let the wonders of the underwater world captivate you. Visiting in the evening can reveal a whole different side of the aquarium, as ambient lighting transforms every exhibit into a luminous spectacle. Segment 6, Cockrell's Butterfly Center. Floating into our list at number 6, hidden within the expansive Houston Museum of Natural Science, is the Cockrell's Butterfly Center, a secluded tropical haven that enchants nature enthusiasts and tranquility seekers alike. This living gallery recreates the magic of a rainforest, where the gentle flutter of hundreds of butterflies creates an ever-changing dance of color and light. History and fun fact: the center's design goes beyond visual beauty, it's a multisensory celebration of nature. As you stroll along the winding paths, listen to the rustle of leaves, the bubbling of small waterfalls, and the soft hum of nature at play. Some butterfly species here are engaged in active pollination studies, offering visitors real-time insight into natural processes that power ecosystems. Travel tips: take your time as you wander. Slowing down allows the subtle details, like the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wing or the delicate aroma of tropical blooms, to fully captivate your senses. For photography enthusiasts, a macro lens is a must to capture these fleeting moments in stunning detail. Segment 5, Hines Waterwall Park. At number 5, immerse yourself in the mesmerizing allure of Hines Waterwall Park. This architectural marvel, constructed in 1991, stands as a testament to Houston's innovative spirit, a dynamic tribute to the city's energy and creative drive. Each curtain of water falling over several tiers creates an ever-changing dance of light and shadow, producing a spectacle that feels both serene and powerful. History and fun fact: originally envisioned as a catalyst for downtown revitalization, the Waterwall has evolved into one of Houston's most iconic landmarks. It's not unusual to find artists, photographers, and lovers of urban beauty drawn to its hypnotic flow, making it a perennial favorite on social media. Travel tips: for truly captivating images, visit during the golden hours when soft natural light accentuates the water's reflections. Take your time wandering around the perimeter, different angles reveal hidden details and unique visual stories waiting to be captured. Segment 4, Houston Zoo. At number 4, step into the diverse world of the Houston Zoo, a living testament to conservation and animal care that spans nearly a century. Home to more than 6,000 creatures from all around the globe, the zoo offers immersive exhibits that recreate natural habitats for each species, providing an enchanting blend of education and wonder. History and fun fact: since its founding in 1922, the Houston Zoo has grown from a modest collection of animals into a modern sanctuary that champions species preservation. Its thoughtfully designed exhibits transport you from the African savanna to the lush rainforests of Asia, making every visit feel like a global journey. Travel tips: set aside at least a full day for the complete experience. Engage in interactive feeding sessions and attend keeper talks for fascinating behind-the-scenes insights. Comfortable walking shoes and frequent stops at shaded rest areas will help you make the most of this enriching adventure. Segment 3, Houston is Inspired Mural. At number 3, we celebrate the contagious creativity of Houston with the Houston is Inspired Mural, a vibrant urban masterpiece that captures the city's resilient and innovative soul. More than just striking street art, this mural serves as a bold statement of local pride and cultural diversity, inviting both residents and visitors to explore its colorful narrative. History and fun fact: collaboratively crafted by local visionaries, this mural has quickly become a symbol of Houston's artistic renaissance. Every brushstroke mirrors the community's spirit of perseverance, transforming a mundane wall into an inspirational canvas that sparks conversation and creativity. Travel tips: to fully appreciate its brilliance, join a guided walking tour of the Mural district. Explore nearby quirky cafes and boutiques that add layers of local flavor to the experience, making your visit a vibrant dive into Houston's urban art culture. Segment 2, Space Center Houston. At number 2, prepare to blast off on a journey of exploration at Space Center Houston, the official visitor hub for NASA's Johnson Space Center. Here, the marvels of space and the stories of humanity's most daring missions are brought to life, offering visitors an up-close glimpse into the mysteries beyond our planet. History and fun fact: walk amidst relics of the Apollo era, experience lifelike shuttle replicas, encounter authentic lunar rock samples, and listen to riveting tales of space exploration. Ever-changing exhibits ensure that every visit offers new insights into our cosmic adventures. Travel tips: plan to spend a full day here to absorb the complete experience. Pre-book your tickets and participate in guided tours to dive deep into the narratives of past missions, fueling your imagination with the wonders of space travel. Segment 1, Hermann Park. And finally, at number 1, we arrive at Hermann Park, a cherished urban haven that embodies the heart and heritage of Houston. This sprawling green oasis, with origins stretching back to the 19th century, melds natural beauty with vibrant cultural diversity, offering an idyllic escape from the urban hustle. History and fun fact: originally established as a communal retreat for early Houstonians, Hermann Park has evolved into a multifaceted destination that blends leisure with history. From the meticulously curated McGovern Centennial Gardens to festive mini-train rides and serene paddle boat excursions, every corner of the park invites you to reconnect with nature and the stories that define Houston. Travel tips: bring your picnic blanket and camera. Every path here is dotted with surprises. Whether you opt for an early morning stroll filled with bird songs or a relaxing afternoon on the Lily Pond, a visit to Hermann Park promises to be a rejuvenating, multi-sensory experience that perfectly encapsulates Houston's charm. There you have it, 10 fantastic destinations that capture the pulse of Houston, along with 2 bonus spots that add a unique twist to your travel itinerary. This city is not just a destination, it's a story of adventure, resilience, and endless discovery. From the innovative thrill of Space Center Houston to the charming serenity of Hermann Park, each stop offers an experience you won't soon forget. If you're fired up by today's journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Destination Deca. I'm Adam, and I'd love to hear which spot excites you the most or if there's another hidden gem in Houston that you swear by. And don't miss that bell icon, there's always a new adventure waiting just around the corner. Thank you for watching, and let's keep exploring, inspiring, and discovering together.